I've spent 17 years in the trenches of the HVAC industry. Before that, I was a nuclear power electrician. That background means I don't just look at a shiny cabinet, I look at the electrical load and component protection. I consider how that machinery will hold up when the grid gets grumpy. Today, we're putting two heavy hitters in the ring: the Tempstar Ion 18, T5H8T, and the York YH6. Both of these fall into that premium ducted split category. They take very different approaches to keeping your house comfortable. Let's start with the armor. If you're in an area with heavy storms or kids playing ball in the yard, the cabinet matters. The Tempstar Ion 18 uses a wire guard design, which is great for airflow, but it leaves those delicate copper fins a bit more exposed. The York YH6 comes with a slotted panel design. In the field, those steel panels are the difference between a hailstorm being a non-event or a service call for a combed out coil. Moving under the hood to the tech, we're looking at efficiency and electrical impact. The Tempstar Ion 18 is a high performer with an HSPF2 rating of 9.8. It uses a two-stage scroll compressor and a variable speed condenser fan. As an electrician, I love this because it manages inrush current beautifully. It doesn't just slam onto the grid, it steps up. The York YH6 is no slouch with an 8.1 HSPF2. It also utilizes a two-stage compressor to balance comfort and efficiency. While Tempstar takes the win on raw efficiency numbers, both units provide crucial low-stage operation. That dehumidifies better and runs quieter than basic single-stage units. Now, let's talk about the wallet. For the equipment alone, you're looking at roughly $4,990 for both brands. However, when we talk average installed prices for this premium tier, Tempstar typically lands around $10,500 to $12,500. The York YH6 often ranges from $9,000 to $11,500, depending on local labor rates and ductwork needs. You're paying a bit more for the Tempstar, but you're buying a higher efficiency ceiling. Before I give you the verdict, here's a bit of field-tested advice. A premium system is only as good as its maintenance. I don't care if it's nuclear grade. If you don't wash those coils and change your filters, you're burning money. The warranty battle is where things get interesting. Tempstar offers a solid 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty. They include a 10-year no-hassle replacement limited warranty. If a major component fails in that first decade, they don't just fix it, they give you a whole new unit. York matches the 10-year parts and compressor coverage. It is manufactured right here in the USA, but it lacks that unit replacement hassle clause found in the Tempstar premium tier. So, who takes the win? If I'm signing the check, I'm going with the Tempstar Ion 18 T5H8T. While the York has the better physical coil protection with those slotted panels, the Tempstar wins on the bottom line. It has a significantly higher HSPF2 of 9.8 for lower monthly power bills and that 10-year unit replacement warranty. In the world of high voltage machinery, having the manufacturer promise a whole new unit if the heart of the system fails is the ultimate peace of mind.